Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. The 2025 Honda S2000 is a highly anticipated model that could potentially bring back the iconic Roadster. While there hasn't been official confirmation from Honda about a 2025 model, rumors and speculations have been circulating about a revival. Review sources: automotive news websites. Keep an eye on automotive news websites like Autoblog, Car and Driver, and Motor Authority. These sites often report on upcoming models, including potential revivals. Honda enthusiast forums. Online forums dedicated to Honda vehicles might have discussions and speculations about a 2025 S2000. Social media. Follow Honda's official social media channels and keep an eye on automotive influencers and enthusiasts on platforms like Instagram and Twitter. They might share rumors or teasers about the potential revival. Price. If the 2025 Honda S2000 does make a comeback, its pricing will likely be positioned in the premium sports car segment, potentially higher than the original model due to factors like increased production costs and potential upgrades. Key features, based on the original S2000. Lighter-weight and powerful. The S2000 is known for its lighter-weight design and powerful engine, offering exceptional performance and handling. Rear-wheel drive. The original S2000 featured rear-wheel drive, providing a classic sports car driving experience. Convertible top. The S2000 typically comes with a convertible top, allowing for open-air driving enjoyment. Sporty design. The S2000 has a sleek and sporty design, reflecting Honda's performance-focused image. Note: as of September 2024, the 2025 Honda S2000 is not officially confirmed. It's recommended to stay updated with the latest news and announcements from Honda to get more information about its potential revival and pricing.